Welcome back after that little break to 9XE the show. So Varun Dhawan has been receiving rave reviews for his performance as the vengeful Raghu in Badlapur, and he seems to be enjoying every minute of it. And so 9XE the show pinned the man of the moment for a quick chat.
Today I think is a day of celebration. We are having a success party for Badlapur. See, the whole thing with Badlapur was not only that, you know, that the critics accepts it and then it fails at the box office, or the box office happens and the critics it fails at. The idea was to get a 360-degree acceptance, and that's what's happened. So I'm very proud of this film, probably the proudest I've been of any film of mine. So chhati pe pehen ke chal raha hu. So I don't know what I've become. I just know that I've made a very difficult film work and I had the best team possible to do it, and so today is a day that I'm very proud of it. I think it's destiny in a way. To be very honest, this film, if it didn't come to me and went to a lot of actors, I could see a lot of actors refusing this film. Okay, बहुत ही टेढ़ी script है, you know, honestly, and I think if I never did it, I think Sriram would have gone to older people for the film. They gave me 5 days to think over it, and I remember on the 4th day or something I told them I'm doing the film. But Sriram didn't. The funny thing is that Sriram never believed. When I said yes also, he thought मैं भाग जाऊँगा. He said my dad will call me up और कोई phone करके बोल देगा कि मत करो ये picture and I'll run away. But I was very sure when I heard the script. I couldn't get it out of my mind. The whole idea of an angel becoming a devil and devil becoming an angel, that really intrigued me, and I was like, you know, this is something I have to do as an actor. I have to do this. I think the hammer scene, for many reasons, because it's the 15 years of frustration the man has to take out, and there was blood being splashed on my face 24/7 when I was hammering, and it was just very, very scary. And at one point I let go of the hammer. Actually, in the take, it was not choreographed. My grip went because I was going so hardcore at it, and it just went up and it missed my face by an inch and went by. And that shot kind of just has Raghu, like Raghu's love, his revenge, his frustration, his anguish, his pain, everything comes through in that one shot, and that's why that shot was very, very important for me. He was very proud. Yeah, I think the night he saw it and he called me and told me how much he loved the film and how proud he was of my performance was the day I felt कि मेहनत सफल होगी, because getting the thumbs up from him means a lot. The type of appreciation the film has got, I have got, everyone has got, but I've not had time to get carried away. The next day of release, I started shooting for ABCD2. I was in an environment where I was doing totally something else. I was dancing my ass off, and very, very difficult stuff trying to pull off. So I didn't get time to think only how people. I would just keep hearing कि हाँ अच्छी लगी ये हुआ है वो हो रहा है इतना business हुआ है picture अच्छी कर रही है and all that stuff. But I think now when I meet people, I meet people and I hear that people are liking it, people are going twice for the film, I feel that my film has become a hit. You censor a film, every film needs to be censored. It's good if there's a censoring body, but keep it relative from film to film. If a film का emotion pure हो रहा है and ये सब cheap नहीं बनाने के लिए बनाई है, तो you can see that ना, फिर मत करो censor. और अगर पिक्चर जानबूझ के चीप बनाई है लोगों ने, then but that's the call, that's a difficult call the censor board has to take. ABCD is on. It's on my arm, and something I'm very, very proud of, very, very passionate. I think ABCD is one team that I'm going to miss. They are like a second family for me, and I've really had an amazing time working with Remo. The fire in ABCD 2 is, I think, very unfortunate. The reason I'm a little low also today is because of that, because we had this one day of shoot left. It was such a big set. There were 700 people there, and near my eyes I'm standing there and I'm looking up, and it was just a small fire, and it just like and pura set, in a matter of like an hour or something. Yeah, what? It's not going to make a horror film. It'll be a comedy only, but I can't tell you what exactly. Rohit is directing a film now with me. It's called Dishum. Sajid Nadadwala producing it. Jacqueline and John Abraham both are in it. And that's something I'm really looking forward to. He's barred me from talking about it.